Hello everyone. Welcome to LegisAI, an AI-powered platform built to make legal work easier and faster for legal professionals. If you're in the legal field, you probably know how much time it takes to go through case files, search for citations, match precedents, and prepare case briefs. In fact, research shows that legal professionals spend around 10 to 15 hours just on case briefings alone. But with LegisAI, you can save a lot of time and focus on the most important parts of your job. So let's walk through the platform and see how it can transform the way you work. Once you log in, you will land on the dashboard. Here, you can keep track of important stats like the total number of cases in your judgment archive and the total number of cases in your case diaries. Future updates will show upcoming events, pending tasks, and other important details too. The table here lists all the cases in the judgment archive, and by clicking View, you can access the original judgment file. Now, let's check out one of LegisAI's core features, the Judgment Archive. The search bar here lets you find cases using keywords or free text. For example, if you type in Dalveer Singh, it will pull up all the cases in the archive that mention that name. Each case comes up in a card showing details like the case number, judgment date, parties involved, the presiding bench, and even the citations. You can also click the Summary button to get a quick overview of the case, such as the key issues, main arguments from both sides, and the court's decision. For more details, you can click on Argument Analysis to dive deeper into the facts, issues, laws, and precedents for that case. It's a huge time saver when you want to quickly assess how useful a case might be for your ongoing matters. If you prefer to read the summary and argument analysis in your chosen language, you can use the translation feature. Simply select your preferred language from the drop-down, click Translate, and the content will be instantly translated for you. Next up is the Case Diary section, your go-to place for managing all your cases. If you want to start a new case diary, just click Add New Case, fill in the details, and you're ready to go. The table shows all your ongoing and completed case diaries. Click on a case ID to see more details. Inside a case diary, the Case Details tab shows everything you need, like the case type, court details, and the case status. Once you upload the case file, the Summary button becomes active so you can generate a case summary, just like in the Judgment Archive. In the Client Diary tab, you can manage all the parties involved in the case, either by selecting from your existing clients or adding new ones. The Case Files tab lets you upload more documents like evidence or court orders. You can use the Task tab to set reminders for important tasks like upcoming court dates, and you'll get notified based on the priority you set. And in the Notes tab, you can jot down key updates to keep track of case developments over time. Now let's talk about the Legal Document Editor. This feature offers over 500 customizable templates for drafting legal documents, petitions, contracts, and much more. The templates give you a head start, so you don't have to waste time on formatting. If you prefer, you can also draft from scratch with all the flexibility you need. This tool makes drafting legal documents faster and more accurate, giving you more time to focus on the content rather than the layout. Before we wrap up, let's quickly talk about how the credit system works. Your credit balance shows how many credits you have left. Every service you use on LegisAI will deduct a certain number of credits. If you're running low, you can easily buy more. The notification bell keeps you updated on important events and new features. The credit history section lets you see how your credits were spent. With LegisAI, you can drastically cut down the time you spend on legal research and case management, helping you deliver the best service to your clients. And we're always working on adding more features like the Landmark Judgment section, Legal Document Analysis, exporting argument analysis and summary in a PDF file to keep you ahead in your legal work. That's LegisAI, your partner in legal excellence. Thank you for watching.